Big Eyes Production.
Ano ang buhay ng isang drug dealer?
Dahil gusto kong umasenso, gumraduate ng college, to the point na you choose to become drug dealer para lang makagraduate.
Hindi mo ba naisip by doing those things dahil gusto mo makagraduate is that you are selling drugs to some people that will cause them harm?
Nakasira ng buhay nila.
During that point,
ano yung nag-motivate sa'yo to stop doing it and to be successful na katulad mo ngayon?
finding
Like yung mga ibang stories na naririnig ko, minsan yung mga bata nagre-rebelde, it's because yung frustration ng magulang nila sa sarili nila, nilalagay nila sa anak nila. Na which yung gusto ng anak nila hindi na masunod. Paano kung passion talaga ng anak mo maging sundalo? I'm not saying na it is applicable sa lahat ng sitwasyon. But I'm just saying na for me, I would, let my children have their own journey.
I mean, sometimes, inisip ko, I can't really blame people why they do what they do. Maybe it's out of necessity. Maybe it's out of being forced. Ang maganda lang nangyari is na nitindihan mo at na-realize mo yung mga pagkakamali mo at itinama mo.
Mr. X, ang tanong ko, kung tingin mo, pinayagan ka ng magulang mo o sinuportahan ka nila na maging PMAer, would you
think na nangyayari sa iyo?
Mangyayari sa iyo ang pagiging drug dealer mo?